Hi, this is attorney Marisa Portuando, and I am here with a tip about a parent agency. So, what is a parent agency? In layman's terms, basically, a parent agency is when somebody appears to be your agent, exactly as it sounds. But what does that mean? It means that, for example, you have someone working for you, or perhaps it's even an independent contractor who is doing something for you, but is holding him or herself out to be your agent. Now, there is a difference between an employee and especially an independent contractor and an agent. An agent is someone who represents you and who can bind you legally. So, if you have, for example, an employee that's out there and is holding him or herself out to be able to sign contracts or even to verbally uh, agree to any kinds of terms on your behalf, that is a dangerous thing to have going on. So you really need to have a talk with all of your employees, with all of your independent contractors. You need to think about the kinds of titles that you put on their business cards. If you do give them business cards, you need to consider whether or not you're going to give them access to credit cards. All of these things point to that person having some level of authority and some way to bind your company. So really do be careful, because if it is found that that person was holding him or herself out to be capable of making those decisions for your company, it could put you in a lot of trouble, and you will have to fight it possibly. I've actually had several cases where contractors hire subs or hire workers, and those workers maybe have a neighbor come from a nearby house and they ask them about the project they're working on. That contractor might think, oh, I'm going to help my boss out and I'm going to bring business in and I'm going to be a big hero. And they may agree to go over to the person's house and look at things and maybe take a sample. Maybe they get hurt while they're there. Who knows? But that person is holding him or herself out to be representing you. And everything that person does while they're there, even though they are doing it without your permission, can appear to be that they are doing it with your authority. So really something to think about, something a lot of business owners are unaware of, and that does end up getting them into trouble. All right, that's my tip.